A classic chicken and vegetables stir fry. I'm Valerie Dawson, and come join me as I make a delicious homemade Chinese lo mein from start to finish. Stay tuned. There are a couple of things that we need to get prepped and ready before cooking. First is the chicken. I have 1 pound of thinly 1-inch sliced boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, but chicken thighs have the best flavor. Adding in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And if you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper. Giving everything a good mix and setting to the side for 15 minutes. And that'll give you enough time to give everything else prepped and ready. And now the sauce. I have a 1/4 cup of water and I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and now for the 1 teaspoon of garlic chili sauce, 2 teaspoons or 1 light tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, giving that a good mix. This is 1 pound of lo mein egg noodles. I'm cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes according to the package instructions. And then rinsing in cool water or cold water to stop the cooking. Just be careful you don't want to overcook the noodles. I have all of my vegetables prepped and we are ready to cook in my wok. In high heat, I add enough oil to coat the sides and the bottom. Make sure the wok is nice and hot before adding the oil. Place the chicken and leveling out, letting the chicken cook for 20 to 30 seconds before stirring to form a nice crust. And flavor the chicken will only take 4 to 5 minutes to cook, then remove from the pan, set to the side. In my wok on medium heat, I add more oil and 1 cup each of finely sliced onions and bell peppers. You can use the vegetables that you have, like I'm using what I have available. Cooking and stirring for a minute and adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for 2 minutes and then adding in 1 cup of 2 stalks of bok choy, where I separated the whites and greens. Cooking and stirring for a minute. Add snow peas. And as you can see, this lo mein is full of vegetables and textures. Cooking and stirring for another minute, adding back in the cooked chicken and the juices, the greens of the bok choy, the cooked lo mein, and pouring over the delicious sauce, stirring everything to combine, cooking for another minute or 2 until all combined and the lo mein noodles are heated through. Right before my final toss, I'm adding a handful of chopped green onions, tossing a couple more times, and we are ready to eat. A nice big plate of comforting homemade lo mein that you can make yourself just the way you like it. I hope you give this Chinese chicken and vegetable lo mein a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe button to make sure that you get my future video recipes. Feel free to share my recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, I will see you Betties on my next video. Bye!